What's going on, everybody? I'm Christopher Rogers. This is MarineMax Clearwater. I may not be wearing a cardigan, but it's definitely a wonderful day in this neighborhood. So, first thing I want to show y'all on this 2025 Boston Whaler 360 Outrage is the engines. So this has twin 600 horsepower motors. Mercury made them, and it's just phenomenal. This is Corian. It's a beautiful summer kitchen. So you just lift this up, and we got the grill right here. We got our very spacious live well, and right here we have an awesome sink. So you can easily put all your bait in here, or whether you want to just put drinks in there for a good time at the sandbar. All right, so as you can see, the aft section is extraordinarily spacious. We have this awesome table, and that converts. You lift it up, and it converts into some more seating. We got our dive door right there, so that if you're reeling in a really big fish, it's easy to bring on board. Or if you're, again, just at the sandbar, having a good time, you can jump in and out right there. We have our sunshade right here. And then up on the helm, I want to show you all this. This thing always blows me away. I love the Simrads on here. It's as big as a TV almost. And then we have our joystick for easy docking. All right, so let's keep going. So one thing you'll notice about the 360 Outrage is it's got a cabin in here, so you can sleep the night on it, or if you just want to get out of the sun, take a nap. There's a head, a sink, so it's got a lot going on for it. Up on the bow, you'll see a ton of seating, so two people can comfortably lay out here, and you can even recline these all the way if you just want to lay all the way down. Behind me, you'll see more seating right here with some cup holders. Makes it all super comfortable and spacious. And then last thing I want to show y'all is we have our windlass anchor right here. So makes anchoring super easy. You just press a button and it goes down, press it up, press another button and it comes up. All right, everybody. So again, my name's Christopher Rogers. I am in Clearwater, and you can reach me at 985-951-0112. Thank you.